Hi, Miss Priya.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Hi, Miss
Good.
Priya.
How are you, ma?
Um, so there was a topic that we were doing in class last week, and I didn't understand it.
Yes, ma.
So it's like dependent and independent variables, and there was one more thing. It was 1 second. What was it called? It was and it was relationships between two patterns.
I see. You find it hard?
Yeah. I find it a little bit not hard, but a little bit confusing, especially the dependent and independent variables.
I'll go over it, ma. And Srimanya, I got your message. You wanted a little bit on order of operations, correct, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, do that.
The questions on the test I took were okay, but some of them were sort of confusing.
Oh, really? Okay. Okay. Let me quickly go there. Okay.
I
Give
don't
a
remember which ones, but there some were like the
Okay. One thing I'll ask you, Vaibhav. Always note down whatever, wherever, whatever confuses you. So that way we can literally target only those when you are back. You got it? But that's
okay.
okay. Don't worry about it.
Where's
Wait.
the it was the one that were like calculating inches to centimeters and that stuff.
Oh, definitely we'll go over whatever you need. But before that, right, I really want to go one by one. Who all took the test, ma?
What test?
There was a spiral review test, right? G6 benchmark spiral review test, right?
Really? Let me go check.
Also, when I did the test, I came back to it and all my progress was deleted.
Oh, that will never happen if you sign in with your email ID.
I did sign in with my email ID though.
Amma, then Google stores us. I don't need to do anything. Google has to store it.
Yeah, I submitted. I did everything it asked me to, but when I came back to it, it gave me an
Oh,
entirely new
yeah.
page.
After you submit it, it doesn't store.
Oh, okay.
After you submit it, if you click on the back button on the browser, it won't store.
Oh, okay.
You got it. And if I have the setting as you cannot submit it again, you cannot submit using the same email ID. You got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Did you all get your scores as well?
I don't know where the scores
It
are.
sends you an email.
It sends an email, right?
I didn't do it. I didn't know about it.
Did it not?
I didn't get the score.
What, guys?
Wait,
What?
is it in the
How?
Gmail? Is it in Gmail?
I
Mm,
didn't get it either.
oh, you didn't get it. Okay, wait, let me check. Okay, all are multiple choice. Okay, guys. Okay, if you didn't get it, it's okay. But I'm going to release it right now. You can check your emails quick. You cannot waste time, but you can ask your questions now. Okay, please review mistakes, I'll say.
So I'm kind of like logged into my account because this is like my computer, but I can't sign into my dad's account because I don't know his pass.
No problem. You can ask him later.
KK.
I guess that score's okay.
Wait, Miss Priya, in the chat, can you tell me my score?
Oh my goodness. No, I don't want to tell your scores, please. Okay.
Also, the questions about rates were confusing.
Okay, why don't we go there? Okay, now can I go over the test quick so that we are thorough with that before I move on? Let me go to the what questions are confusing you? Come on, guys. I'm going to go to the test directly. Quickly check and tell me which are the questions that were confusing you all. I can go over anything that you need. Before I switch topics, right? I really want to make sure you're good with this.
Question 5.
Question
5.
I was confusing. Which was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this the one which is the following describe a rate, is it?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Can I make it bigger by any chance? What did you all think? Which of the following describe a rate?
I think one of them is A.
One of them is
A.
Good
60
I
job.
also
beats per
thought that.
minute.
I
I
think
thought
one
that.
of them's B.
And
Oh.
15
I see what I
per
did.
teacher. 15 students per teacher.
Yeah, I also put that down, but I forgot one. I see.
You see it? The thing is, yeah, which of them describe the rate, right? 60 beats per minute. 3 pencils for 6 students means half a pencil for one student, right? 16 students per teacher. These are all describing the rate, meaning per this many, that you can say like that, right? Oh, per minute, in 1 minute, you can hear 60 beats. Similarly, for 6 students, 3 pencils means for one student, it's half a pencil, right? Similarly, one teacher has 15 students, then 15 teachers will have 15 times 15 students, right? But 5 out of 8 is not a rate. You see, guys?
5 out of 8 is a fraction.
Yeah, it's a fraction, correct. Can I move on? What else? What other questions you all have? Go ahead. You want me to look through the test now? General responses I can see. Overall I can see. Hold on. Summary we'll see. In the summary, correct responses.
Section 5, question 2.
Section 5. This
Section
one.
5, second question.
There's one question that has 0 out of
Exactly,
7.
exactly. What is that? Let's go back. Section 5, question 2, he says. Yeah, let's do this. Section 5, question 2, ma. If 4 notebooks, this one.
I just found out how much was like the cost of each notebook and then multiplied that by 10.
Exactly. See, remember the double bar. 1, 2,
No, it's
3.
not this question. It's which of the following conversion use proportions correctly? That one.
Okay, let me finish this. 4 notebooks are costing 7.20. Means they're asking for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 notebooks. I cannot just like that jump from 4 to 10. What do? I go back to 1. So 1 notebook will cost how much? 7.20 divided by $4. What is that? $1.80, right?
And multiply that by 10.
And then multiply that by 10. Here as well, if you multiply that by 10, it becomes 18.
And I
Kanishka,
got
did you
that.
get, did you get it?
Yeah, I got that. But
Kanishka, did you get it?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Manya, did you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, which question, Vaibhav, you're saying?
oh yeah, it's both it's question in the which of the following conversions use proportions correctly? That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the
Let's
one
see.
under it.
Proportion means they should be equal. Let me hear you again, Vaibhav. What is that?
I'm confused on this one and the one under it.
Okay. So when you look at this, right, use proportions correctly. So 2 by 5, is it the same as 6 by 15? I don't know. This is multiplied by
yeah.
3, this is multiplied
Yeah.
by 6. Yes, it is in proportion, you see.
So,
Similarly, 3 by 1 is equal to 6 by 2. Is that correct?
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, it is correct. 10 by 5 is equal to 2 by 1. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct. 4 by 8 is
Yeah.
1 by 2. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I picked all of it for this one.
I don't know, guys. We'll see.
All of them.
Yeah, 1 minute. Wait. I just need to clear this. I need to check the answer. How to check?
Oh.
Something feels wrong to me. Hold on. 10 inches by 5 feet is the same as, oh my goodness. 4 by 8 is 1 by 2, correct? 10 by, okay, 2 by 1 is correct. 3 by 1 will be equal to 6 by 2. Okay, That seems correct.
The
Makes
third
sense?
one, no, the third one is incorrect. The third one. I
Why?
checked.
Yeah, it showed the third one was wrong.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
it.
yeah. I corrected the answer. K, I'm saying. Why the third one should be incorrect, you think? No, Vaibhav,
Because
are you saying that it is incorrect or?
no, I'm saying the answer key says that.
No. I changed it now.
Okay.
The third one is correct.
Okay.
Makes sense. And then now coming to this 1 by 500, meaning scale map means in a map I cannot really show 20 kilometers, right? I'll just show this. And then I'll say, hey, this suggests 20 kilometers in reality. So here let's say this is 2 centimeter. That means the scale that I'm using is 2 centimeter refers to 20 kilometers. That's what it is. Now 1 by 500 means on a scale it is 1. It is suppose I in a map I represent 1 centimeter. In a real world this can represent 500, let's say, kilometer. Now two cities are 6 centimeter apart on the scale. How much in kilometer in real distance they are asking?
3,000
Yeah,
because
multiply by 6, multiply by 6.
But it says the answer is 30.
That is incorrect.
Yeah.
One second. No, answer is 3. There is a problem. Wait. Oh, you know what? Okay. Wait a minute. So if it is time, okay, now on a scale it's 1 is to 500, right? Now the map shows two cities that are 6 centimeters apart. So that would be 6 5 are 3000 centimeter. Oh my God, I know why.
Miss
Ah,
Priya.
yeah, ma.
It says like I think by 500 it means 1 centimeters to 500 meters. So it says like
No. Okay, let me go ahead and clarify this. Okay, I'll tell you why. What is the problem here? Basically, so the answer is 30 is correct actually. Let me show you. The problem here is Vaibhav. Okay,
Yeah.
what did you think? Okay, Sid, I'll let you talk. What do you think is the problem?
I think it's because the 1 to 500 scale map is means 1 centimeter to 500 meters.
No, right? There is no unit given, so that indicates centimeter.
Oh.
Now, two cities are 6 centimeter apart. So how much apart are they?
1,000.
3000 centimeter. 3000 centimeter can be converted to meter and kilometer. What is it?
Oh,
Oh,
30
30.
meters.
yeah, 30 meter. Did you all get it?
I think no one was looking at the conversion.
That was very tricky, ma, honestly. But you need to be careful and be looking at the units very carefully, guys. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, any other questions in the test anybody had?
No.
I'm here to help you guys. If you have Adrit, what are they doing in school?
We're we're almost done with ratios, and I think we might be doing percentages next.
Percentages, do you remember what we have covered already?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. So you remember that. Now, let's try these problems first, and then I will go ahead and work with you on some other things.
Miss Priya, I
Yeah, ma.
remember what I was learning.
Go ahead. Tell me.
So we were actually learning about proportions, and then we just completed our ratio and rates test. So I don't know. I think we're gonna learn something else tomorrow on Monday.
Oh, okay. Vihan, what are you learning in school?
I'm simplifying expressions.
Oh, simplifying expressions. Okay. Is it easy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go over that. Let's go first over order of operations, and then I'll go over that.
Can we go over independent and dependent variables after that?
Oh yeah, because I still don't get that.
Yeah, we have to do that next week. So
Okay,
We-
but did we not discuss in class last week?
no,
We did.
We did. We did.
did we?
Like we can
Independent variable is
like
always on the x-axis, the input. See, input-output table you have studied. Yes, we did. Input-output tables you have studied, right? Input always here. Output always here. Input is the independent variable. You can give anything as the input. You can say 2, 4, 6, 8 or 1, 2, 3, 4. You can give anything. But the output is always dependent on the input. So this is always y-axis. This is always x.
Okay.
Time and all, if it comes time is independent, you cannot control it, right? So I'll put it in the independent variable. Then let's say based on time, the height of a plant, how much does it increase? The
8.
height really depends on the time, right? Or otherwise you walk, let's say you walk 2 kilometers in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes. So how do you represent? There are two quantities, minutes, kilometer. So you represent minutes on this, kilometers on this. We don't do it the other way because the time will move on whatever you do. So let's say 5-10 minutes. In 10 minutes, you walk 2 kilometers, means this is a point. 10 minutes, 2 kilometers. 10 is the x variable, input variable. 2, if you allocate 10 minutes, you can walk for 2 kilometers is the output variable. This is called the independent variable. This is called the dependent variable because the number of kilometers you walk is dependent on the number of minutes you walk. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Okay, now before I go to order of operations, I really want to review this. Did you do a homework on independent variables, guys?
I did, but I needed a little help.
yeah, we did. It was like I think what she meant was what when she asked like can we do independent and dependent variables was like can we get more practice on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I really want to review a little bit more. Let me see. Give me a minute.
Can't go to Google Classroom because I'm not logged
Oh,
in.
you want to go there? Okay, wait, ma.
No, I can't go in because I'm not logged into my account. I mean my dad's account.
That's okay. I can go and. Okay, how about this? How about this?
Do we have to solve the ones on the board?
No, not on the board. Wait, let me give you. Let me go there little later. Maya sells lemonade for $2 per cup. She also charges a $5 fee for party orders. Delivery fee. See, first of all, when you go order Arnav, here which is the dependent and which is the independent variable Arnav?
On the Maya problem, right?
Yeah.
The independent is the cups and the dependent is the delivery.
Just like that, you cannot read words from.
But aren't they both?
Let's
Aren't
please
they
think
both
about it.
independent?
The
Let's please
dependent,
think about it. What are the two quantities that are being discussed?
the cup and the money.
Good job. Cup and the money. Now, money is dependent on the cup or cup is dependent on the money?
Money dependent on cup.
Yeah, very clear, right? If you drink 1 cup, it will cost you $2. If you drink 2 cups, it will cost you $4. Whatever cup you buy, there is a $5 delivery fee added. So that 5 just gets added everywhere. So basically, this is your dependent or the independent variable, easy. The dollar is the dependent or the independent variable?
It's the dependent variable.
Dependent, yeah, that is dependent on what, Vihan? This dollar is dependent on what?
The dollar is dependent on how many cups there are.
Exactly. So number of cups is independent. You can have 1 cup, you can have 100 cups. It is independent. You can put any value. But multiplied by 2, each is $2, right? So that multiplied by 2 is your output. So this is basically the input output rule that you learnt in 4th grade. Remember, this is your input. If it is input, it's independent. I. If it is the output, it's dependent. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Now, in this case, definitely the number of cups is the independent variable. So it will come in the x-axis or the y-axis?
X-axis.
The
X-axis.
x-axis. So number of cups I will write. Right? Dollars I pay, I will write here. How am I going to write in here?
What like so for like every single problem, if it includes like money or something, the money will always be the
Yeah, it is always on the
dependent.
y-axis. The money is always on the y-axis. Number of cups is on the x-axis. Let's say I'm going to drink only 1 cup. 1 cup means
2x.
yeah, let me write down. Please input output table, can't I write down? 1 cup means what happens? How much?
$2.
$2.
No, there is something else as well.
Oh,
7.
$7.
No, 2 plus 5. Let me write down. Manya. If it is 2 cups, how much is it, Manya? If it is 2 cups, it will be 4 plus 5. Good job. 3 cups, it will be 3 times 2 plus 5, right? So basically, this is 7, this is 9. 1 comma 7, 1 comma 7, 2 comma 9. Then you have 3 comma 3 comma 11. 3 comma 11. Do you see, guys? So that's a line. Do you see, guys? That's what it is. So whatever is your input or your x value is your independent. Input independent variable. Output is your dependent variable. Any questions here?
No. Wait, can I see that?
Yeah. Sure. Sorry.
It's okay.
You have to come and ask any questions like this that you have. Now, you all know how to put letters, right? Okay, let's consider this.
Okay, you can take it.
No, I don't want to erase it. Wait. We are going to try writing equations now. Maya sells lemonade for $2 a cup. Number of cups is what variable here?
The X
X variable. So per cup means 1 cup. 1 cup is $1. So
$2.
1 times 2. Now the next is 2 times 2, right? Now the thing is,
3 times.
okay, wait guys. X I'm putting it as 1 cup. Okay, it's $2 you're saying. 2 times 1. 2 cups means it's 2 times 2. 3 cups means it's 3 times 2. Right? 4
Like-
cups means it's 4 times 2. However, the 5 gets added, right? Now I want to write an equation for y. I want to write an equation. I want to see how the dollar value is dependent on the cups. So whatever is changing here, right? What is changing? What is, see, times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is coming, right? So always times 2 times 2 times 2. But based on the x is changing, did you see? X value keeps on changing.
Because that's
Can I write this as 2 times x? Can I write this as 2 times x plus 5?
Yes.
yeah.
So the output is equal to 2 times the input plus 5. That's what it means.
Times
I
X
wrote
value.
2x times plus 5.
Exactly. So output will be equal to 2x plus 5. Now, for a given problem, you drew the table and you're able to write the equation and draw a graph. See how things are related? For a given context, you put up some variables. Input, output, you put some variables x and y. You drew a table. You drew a graph. You wrote an equation. Is this not amazing? It is. Manya, did you understand, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I'm going to give you more. You're going to slowly start writing equations. Let me see. How about this? How about this? You're going to write this. I'm going to sit and watch. Try this one for me.
Equation.
I'll come to order of operations a little later. Go ahead. Yes. You guys can do it, guys.
Miss Priya.
You're going to send it to me, guys.
But I have like a question.
What is your question?
For A, when it says write an equation for the total of time of rides, does that mean like just the ride or like the time you have to wait in line?
Okay, why don't you put it as input, output, X and Y? We can then change it. First, put it as X and Y.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
I don't understand this problem.
Why? What is that you don't understand?
For minutes, the T is
Don't worry about the T or anything. I'm just asking you to take one as input. Let me show you. I'm asking you to take one as input. What is the input here? The roller coaster takes 4 minutes per ride. What is the input here? What is the output?
The input
Input
is
is-
ride. The riding time.
Okay, now, yeah. So let's see. What are the two quantities? What are the two quantities?
Ride and time.
Number of rides. Please, let's be very clear. Number of rides. This is what I want you to do with every problem. And what is the other quantity?
Number of minutes. Time.
Number of minutes. Now, what is dependent? What is independent?
The rides are independent in the minutes.
Yeah,
Exactly. This is your input. If you go for one ride, then the number of minutes is 4. If you go for 2 rides, the number of minutes is 8. If you go for 3 rides, the number of minutes is 12. So, the independent variable is X.
X
Number
and
of rides. Dependent is Y.
Y.
Now,
The
how
number
are they dependent? Let's say you go for one ride. How do you write the number of minutes?
One times 4 plus 15.
Exactly 4 minutes, and always that 15 gets added because you're waiting. If you go for 2 rides, what happens?
X 2 times 4 plus 15.
2 times 4 plus 15. Now the thing is, guys, I wrote it as input output X and Y. You can name anything. My name can be Priya or my name can be Sharda, right? It can be anything. So write an equation for total time. So the T instead of Y, they're asking you to use T. And then as a number of rides as R. Now how am I going to write the equation? I have to write the equation for T. How will you write my equation for T? Tell me, T will be equal to what?
It's not like sure.
R 4.
4 times R
4 times r plus 15.
plus 15. See, that's it.
Can you check my answers?
1 second. So which variable depends on the other? Kanishka, tell me which variable depends on the other.
The T depends on the
It's a
R.
question for Kanishka, if it's okay with you. Go ahead.
Oh, me? Yeah.
Yes, which variable depends on the other?
The variable that depends on the other is the number of minutes.
What depends on what?
Oh, what depends on what?
Uh,
Oh, the number of minutes depends on the number of rides.
so which is the dependent and which is the independent variable?
The number of rides and the are independent, and number of minutes are dependent.
Good job. So whatever you put equal to is dependent. This is dependent. T is dependent on R. Based on the value of R, T changes.
I can't see what you wrote.
Okay, T will be equal to 4R plus 15. Whatever you write in here is independent. Now based on, if you change R, right, my T will change. Number of minutes will change. So that's called dependent. Now, how do we find this R now? T equal to 43. How to find out R? T equal to 43 means this side becomes 43. How to find out R? That is hard, right? I'll give you a clue. These are, yeah. See, 1 minute, guys. Now, if you have 4R plus 15, it's called an expression. There is no equal to sign. Correct, guys?
Correct.
So I say Okay, how about this? 3 plus 2. What is this? What is this called?
Expression.
Expression. That's because it doesn't have an equal to sign. Yes, ma.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Go.
Miss
So this is
Priya,
called a numeric. Yes, ma.
I can't see, like, I can see numeric, but I can't see the rest.
Yeah, I can't
I
see
can't
stuff.
see
below.
3 and 2, and I can't see like the variable t
3
up in
plus
the
2
input chart.
is a numeric expression. Thank you, guys. 3 plus 2 is a numeric expression. X plus 2 is what type of expression?
Of algebraic expression.
Algebra. Why? Because it contains letters.
Because it's
It has a variable.
Algebraic
variable.
expression. Now, if x equal to 2, what is the value of this expression, Manya? If x equal to 2, what is the value of this expression?
2 plus 2, so 4.
Good job. Suppose if I give you minus x plus 2 as your expression and x equal to minus 2, what is the value of this expression, Manya or Arnav? I give you minus x plus 2 expression. I want you to calculate the value of the expression if x equal to minus 2. Good job. So you substitute x equal to minus, this minus you copy, and then instead of x you put a minus 2 plus 2. What happens? Minus and minus becomes 2. So the answer is 4. Any questions, guys?
No.
No.
Now, letters as well are treated as numbers. Okay. Let's look at a pan balance. You all know what a pan balance is, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I say x plus 2 equal to 4, right? I put it like this. This side goes here. X plus 2 goes here. 4 goes here. Now the thing is, the pan balance is balanced because there is an equal to sign. I call this equation. And the pan balance right now is balanced. Aniket.
Because
I already gave you it's equal. Now,
mm,
if I see there is a letter, right? I always want to find out the value of the letter. For you to find out the value of the letter,
minus.
it's important that you take away. Suppose there is a variable, right? The variable means letter. That alone should be on one side of the balance. The rest of it should move out. You got it? Now, here there is a plus 2. How can I check out this plus 2 out of this pan balance? I do the opposite. Minus 2. But if I do the minus 2, I have to do the minus 2 here as well because it's balanced. You see what I do on one
Yeah.
side, I have to do on the other side.
You just make it 0.
Now,
You
the
just
plus 2 and the minus 2 becomes 0. Always, right? Plus 4 and minus 4 becomes 0. So, now I rewrite this. This side has x only. This side becomes 2. So,
2.
x balance is 2. So, I will say x is equal to 2. Did you all get it?
Yeah, and they both are equal, so
4x
it's balanced.
minus 6 will be equal to 10. What is x? What is the first step you will do, Arnav? Arnav, I want to find out x. So, what is the first step here you would do?
To find x on the fruit.
Yeah, it is already balanced. What?
I subtract. I put 2.
But there is a subtract 6. So what do you do to remove that?
Minus 6.
The opposite is what you need to do.
Minus
So what do you do?
6. I mean,
I'll
wait,
do minus
plus
6.
6.
Yes, Vihan, go ahead.
You
Isn't it
add
plus 6?
6 on
I'm
both
talking
Yeah.
to Vihan, I think. What is it?
You add 6 on both sides.
Good job. Plus 6 plus 6. So what happens?
4x is equal to 16.
4x equal to 16. Now go ahead, Pranavi. What do you want to do?
No, that's what I was going to say.
Hmm?
Mhm.
What do you want to do after this? 4x equal to 16.
Oh. You divide them both?
Good. But 4x is there, right? I don't want the 4. I just want the letter. But 4 is multiplied by x. So what do I do? Good job, Pranavi. What do you do?
So you divide it by 4.
Yes, because it's multiplied to the variable. Good job.
Yeah.
So that becomes x equal to 4.
So 16 divided by 4 is 4.
Yup. Do you guys get it? 5r minus 17 equal to 13. Easy, what do you do? What do you do to solve this? There are letters. Is it an equation or an expression, Izzy?
That's the equation.
Equation. Good job. Now, Tell me what should I do? I want the value of R. How to find out the letter R? I have to make the R only stand in one side of the balance. It's all messed up now. So what do we do first?
Can you make the table thing that you made before?
No, you don't need to do any table. You
Oh.
can just solve. We don't need a pen balance as well. But we need to find out R. I have to make R alone stay. Rest of it should move out. What should be the first step I should do, Adrit? Go from the outside. From outside you go. What will be the first step you will do? You have to remove one by one or add something to make it 0. What do you do?
I know.
One by one.
One by one? What one by one? I want to find out RMA. For that, I want to make sure R alone stands on one side of the pan balance. I would like to have only R on one side of the pan balance. But what is extra? Minus 17 is there. 5 is multiplied. All that I need to remove. Sid, you help us out. Sid, you're too quiet.
You have the opposite. You make the opposite of minus 17.
Yeah, what
so
is
plus
it?
17.
Yes, good job.
And
Plus
then, like,
17
you
on
make
both
that 30 and this 26.
Yes, 5R is 30. Now what do I do?
You divide it by 5, which is 6.
Exactly, R is equal to 6. Make sense?
I can't see like
Is
some
it
of
okay?
your notes. I can't see it like when it's on the bottom.
I know, right? I don't know why.
And when it's on the top right.
Now is it okay, guys? Tell me.
Yeah.
Let me
Okay.
see. Let me see. We don't know, right? Let's see. Now, what was the equation for this? The roller coaster takes 4 minutes. So what did we do? We
R times 4 plus
Yeah, we wrote out
15.
a table. Let's write out a table. R is the number of rides. That's the X value, Y value, right? Input, output. Now we said 1. The time taken was
4 minutes.
1 times 4 plus 15.
15.
So 2, we wrote 2 times
2
4
times 4
plus
plus
15.
15.
Now for R number of rides, how will I write it? R times 4 plus 15. This is our T value, remember? So I can write T is equal to 4R plus 15. Now you're able to see Adrit the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now tell me, they are saying, see, they are asking you to put something in the equation. T equal to 43, find R. How to do it? T equal to 43. They're asking you to plug in this 43 in 43. What happens?
I have an idea.
Yeah, you have an idea. What idea
You
do
can
you
do
have?
43 minus 15
Exactly.
divided by
Subtract.
4.
Wait a minute. Subtract 15 from both sides. This becomes 0. 4R will be equal to 28. How do I calculate R, Adrit?
You
4R is equal to 28. I want only R. How to remove the 4? Arnav, are you following? 4 is multiplied with R. What is the opposite?
Divided by 4.
Yeah.
What? That was a question for Adrit. Adrit.
Yeah.
What should I do?
You should divide by 4.
Good job, both sides.
And then that will make 7 and 1. Well, 7.
Yes. Good job. So the number of rides will be 7 if the time he took is 43 minutes. Make sense, guys? Aniket, Arnav, did you follow? Aniket
Yeah, I
and
followed.
Okay. Let me see. Now my question is, let's see this one. Okay, you're going to come up with, I want to see all of this, guys. I'm going to see who all are able to do it. A tank starts with 50 liters of water and then fills at 20 liters per minute. So what are the two quantities first?
Liters of water.
Liters and minutes.
Good job, all of you. Liters, minutes. So why don't you put the table? What is the input? What is the output? See, again, remember, that's not X and Y. What is it, Vihan? What are the variables that are being used? What are the letter names that we use?
V and T.
Exactly. So what is the independent? What is the dependent, Aniket? What is the independent one? What is the dependent one? Aniket, that was a question to you.
12 liters per minute.
What is the dependent variable? What is the input? What is the output?
V.
Correct. V is what?
Independent.
What do you think, Arnav?
I think that the 50 liters of water is independent and the 12 liters per minute is dependent.
We said time and volume are the two quantities.
Oh, yeah.
Time and volume. Time is measured in minutes, volume in liters. Which is the input, which is the output?
The inputs liters in the and the outputs the
Why do you
volume.
think, how do you say so?
Because the volume's the big is bigger.
What?
and Since the volume's bigger, the output it's the output.
What depends on what, Arnav? I have been explaining, right? I really want you to be focused in class. What depends on what? Read the question and tell me what depends on what.
Oh,
Aniket, or you have to explain. Aniket or Arnav should explain this to me. Arnav or Aniket?
The 50 liters depends on the 12 liters per minute.
The 50 liters depends on, see,
The 12
Arnav,
liters.
I am telling only time. Time is measured in minutes. You cannot confuse. Time is measured in minutes, volume in liters. What of these is dependent on what quantity? Think about it, explain, or you can get the help of Aniket. Aniket, can you help him? Aniket, you can help him. I am here to listen to you to help you, but you have to come up with explanations. Aniket, you think you can help him? Which is dependent on what? Aniket, you cannot waste my time, meaning you cannot waste the class time as well. Aniket or Manya, can you explain, Ma?
Minutes is dependent on the liters.
Minutes is will the time increase based on the volume, or volume, the tank's volume increases with time?
The time is,
Yeah,
What, Ma?
time increases by the volume.
yeah.
The minutes dependent on the total volume.
How? A tank is getting filled
I mean,
up.
the total volume is dependent on the minutes.
A tank is getting, you have to think the real situation. The tank is getting filled up. So how will you say in 1 minute this got filled in? In 2 minutes this got filled in. So which is the input, which is the output?
The input is minutes and the output is liters.
Time in minutes is your input. The volume, the liter that got filled in is the output, right? But instead you have to use V and T. Now how are we going to write the equation? Let me write 1 minute. What happens in 1 minute? Who's going to tell the value of here?
1 minute there's 50
50 plus 1 times 12.
12 times t.
12 times t. Good job. But wait. 2 means 50 plus 12 times 2.
2.
So like that, if I go for t minutes, volume will be 50 plus 12 times
V.
T.
v.
Oh.
So I have to write the equation now. V is equal to 50 plus 12 times t. Are you all able to see the bottom?
Yeah.
Good. Now, how do you graph it? The x-axis is t or v?
The x-axis is T, right?
T.
No, yeah.
That's the input. Good job, Pranavi. Volume is on the y-axis, right?
Uh-huh.
Now, suppose if I put t equal to 1, what happens?
50 plus 12 times 1.
Exactly, that is 62, right?
Yes.
62.
Yeah.
Here, somewhere here. And then if I put t equal to 2, what happens?
74.
74. Good job. So the line goes like this. Got it, guys?
It goes through
Got
the.
Okay, now I'm going to give you a different question. You are going to do it this time. Okay, all of you do it in your notebook and you're going to show it to me. Manya, let me try if doing some problems as well that you asked. Let me see. How about this, guys?
Oh, I have some questions on the homework.
On the homework, Amma.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll help you. How about this? Okay, just write this. Okay, just write the equation. Show me, then we'll go to the homework.
Okay.
I'll go to the homework, guys.
Miss Priya,
Yes, Mari.
how many miles is it? It says write an equation for the total cost C after M miles, but how many miles?
M miles.
M.
M miles, right, Amma? If you're
Oh.
getting stuck, I'm here. I'll help you.
Yeah, I'm getting stuck.
You're getting stuck.
Mhm.
But it's not a hard one, I tell you. I want you to try.
Okay.
Put the table, guys. Unless you put in your effort, you're not going to get it. I want you to put in that effort. I can help you, but you have to show me the table that you did.
I don't get
Without
it.
you putting effort, I'm not going to help. What are the two quantities first?
I think
I want to see what are the two quantities. What table did you draw? All that you show me, I'll help you.
okay.
If you don't put in efforts, I'm not going to help you.
Draw it on the board.
What, ma?
Can I draw it on the board?
Yes, why don't you?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Could someone please mute themselves?
Yeah, I will.
I don't think it's you.
No, I can mute, ma.
Oh,
No
okay,
problem.
okay.
Yeah, that's a problem. I can mute. Go ahead. Wait, let me do. Give me a few minutes. Good. Go ahead. Go ahead.
But now
But you
how
need
would
to
I?
be careful. But you need to be careful here.
Am I correct?
Am I also correct?
There is something wrong. There is something wrong in the way it's done on the board. 1 minute, okay, I'll come to you.
I think I know.
What
I
is
think I
wrong?
know.
Did I write only one number on the table? I was writing so many numbers, right?
Yeah.
First of all, what is the input? What is the output?
Input is
Input is
miles.
miles, and the
And the
output
output
Then
is
why did it change place? Input should always be on the left side, right? Input should always be on the left side, right?
yeah.
Please redo.
Okay.
Redo the table. Come on, do it on the board.
Did I get it right?
Input.
I want to wait, Ma. I want to wait. I'm not going to say until everybody does it now. Because I want everybody to get it, right? Uh-huh. Now, can you write down values?
Oh, right.
1 mile.
no.
No, don't start with 3. 3 is $1 there.
Yeah.
Hmm. Now be
1
very
mile.
careful reading. Yeah, I want everybody to be careful reading it out.
You have to divide them both. Wait, no.
Sorry, for 1 mile, what was the cost?
$2.25.
I did not ask you. There is a person doing it on the board. I want to coordinate with them. The rest of you can send it in chat.
Oh,
It's
it's
important to give turn to everybody too, please. I will check your answers if you send it to me in the chat, and I am on it now. Good job, Vihan. Aniket, I'm waiting for your answer. Sid, I'm checking your answer, ma. That's perfectly right. Vaibhav, I'm checking your answer now. That's right, Vaibhav. But where is
who
the
else
answer
is
for
drawing
B?
on the board?
Huh?
You go ahead.
There's someone in
She
yellow
does.
drawing on the board.
Kanishka, she's doing it right. Kanishka, you can do it separately. Don't write it on hers. When somebody is doing, you can do it on the board. I'm not preventing you, but do it by the side. You go ahead and draw your own. Good job. Thank you, ma. I really appreciate it. Go ahead. Easy, you have to go ahead. You cannot stop.
I'm trying to.
Then she was helping you, right? Go ahead. Go ahead, Amma.
Okay.
Adrit, I want you to draw the table. If you draw the table only, you'll understand.
Okay.
Draw the table. Manya, is it okay with you if I discuss order of operations next week, ma?
Yeah.
But will you remind me?
Yeah.
Surely I'll do it for you, ma.
My meeting thingy, my chat thing won't move to the side, so I can't see the problem.
Okay, easy. That is all correct, easy. Can you do it for m now? M number of miles. Always we do for m number of miles.
Okay.
For m number of miles, how will you write the equation now? What times what plus what or whatever? What did you do?
Well, if
What did you do? What times what and what did you add or what did you do?
I don't know.
See, that is why you should not be writing numbers like this. What did I do? I really wrote down 2.25 per mile. So what did I do? 2.25 times 1. However, there's a $3 at the start. They always charge $3. Then again, I did not write this at all. I did not write numbers. I did step by step. 2.25 per
2.25
times 2
plus 3.
8, Amma. I'm working with her.
And plus 3.
Please, plus 3. Now the next one
And
is
then
what?
2.25 times 3 plus 3.
Yes. And then for m, what happens?
2.25 times.
This is what you're copying here.
So 3? I mean, times 4, I mean.
No, m miles.
Oh, times m? Plus 3.
See, that's all. So now you say C will be equal to that. Got it?
Oh. Okay.
So it's gonna be 2.2. No, 5.
Yes. Kanishka, did you understand?
Wait, Miss Priya.
Yeah.
Yes, ma. Yes, Pranavi.
Is
Yeah,
like
you
input
did. You did. Oh, sorry.
is input like X, or is it X and then the output is Y?
Yeah. So here, what is the input?
Miles.
Good job. What is output?
Cost.
Yep. Arnav, I did not get answers from you. If you don't answer, I will not continue classes 100%. You have to be answering in the chat.
Yeah, I did
Whatsoever.
it on
If
the
you're
board.
not
Is that
answering,
okay?
I'll take you out of the class.
I did it on the board. Is that okay?
Who did on the board?
Me, I did.
I know, Kanishka did it, I know.
So do we have to still write it in the chat?
Yeah, but I will need to know. You didn't send me the equation at all. I have no idea what the equation is, Kanishka.
I was writing on the board. Sorry.
Where is write it on the board? Write the equation on the board. Let me see. I
I
didn't see
was
your.
going with you.
No, why don't you go ahead and do it? I want to see your equation on the board. Write the equation on the board. You are following, right? I'll help you. I'm saying. But I want you to do. I want you to do and show me. Go ahead, do it and show me, ma. Will you do it and show me?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Uh-huh.
Wait, Miss Priya, could you go back to where you were writing?
Oh,
Like,
sorry, ma. Okay, sure, ma. Is this okay?
yeah.
Okay.
I have a question for B.
Yes, I am here.
So when it says find the cost for 10 miles, would it be 2.25 times 10 plus 3? And then would you just do that?
Correct.
Or would you just write the equation for the
No,
answer?
you have the equation already.
Okay, so just find the answer for that.
Yeah, m times 2.25 plus what, ma, Kanishka? Good job, Kanishka. So cost will be equal to 2.25 times m plus 3. Now, how do you find the cost of 10 miles hour now? How do you find the cost of 10 miles hour now?
The cost for 10 miles, um, you you try to bring the money. You bring the money up by 5, then you bring the output by 5.
2.25 miles plus 3, right? If they ask you to
Yeah.
find the cost of 10 miles, what do you do?
I multiply by 5, I think.
No.
I
10 miles means where will you plug in 10?
uh,
Where
when
will
I
you
keep
plug? Huh?
when I keep doubling 2.25 till I get the 10, then I'll add the 3s.
Yes. So M should be plugged in with 10 and then add the 3. Manya, Sri Manya, are you following, ma?
Yeah.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
what would the two would the miles be the independent variable?
Yeah, miles is your input, right?
Okay.
So the number of miles increases, your cost will increase, right, ma?
Yeah.
Do you get it?
Yeah.
So think of the practical scenario. When you ride on the car, what depends on what?
The miles
Did you
depend.
understand,
Yeah.
Pranavi?
Yeah.
Yep. Good job. Can we move on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can I give you one more problem or what do you think?
Sure.
Will you do it by yourself, all of you? Yes, ma.
Yeah, one more, one
The
more.
restroom.
Yeah, please go and come back quickly. I want to finish. Can I give you one more problem, guys?
Oh,
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this one, I want you to do it by yourself. I don't want to do this time.
I get it more after you explained that.
Nice, ma. Nice. See, you will really understand everything. Okay, let's see.
Can't erase.
Okay,
It's not
how about
letting me erase. I'm trying
this
to.
is an easier one. Okay, this is an easier one. Okay, go ahead.
I can't see. Yeah, I can't see the top.
The top.
Oh, don't worry, ma. The top
I
is
don't think the top doesn't
yeah,
matter.
it's not a problem at all.
It's a different problem, I think. Oh, I already.
If you get it, send it to me and you can log off as well.
Miss Priya, I can't see like the words on the top.
The words on the top is not important at all.
Okay.
Go ahead. Without it, you can do.
Wait,
I don't
Miss
get
Priya.
A.
Wait, Miss Priya. So basically,
Put the input output, put the table first. Pranavi,
wait.
only methodically go. Okay. Think of what is the input, what is the output. Write the table, write the numbers, and then go ahead and no, easy. You have to do it in your notebook.
Wait,
Because
no, but like,
everybody is doing it, and we need to respect everybody too.
but I have a question. So basically, like, if I were to write a table like that and say it was like a rise of 4 step, like when it said 4 instead of 8 over there, then would it be like 1 for 4? Like, would it be 1 out for 8 in?
Each step has a rise of 8 inches.
Yeah. So like 1 step is 8 inches, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. So 2 steps. Start writing like that. 3
Yeah.
steps. 4 steps.
I sent my answer.
You got it, Ma?
Yeah.
Can
I
you?
sent all my answers.
I know. 1 minute, wait.
I don't get A. I wrote the table too. I don't get it.
Okay. Who got it? Whose answer I can check?
Me.
Vihan.
Sid.
Me.
Number of steps. Good job. Vihan, you can log off.
I only know
Bye.
B and C.
Uh,
I don't know the rest. I don't know A.
good job, Sid. You can log off.
Okay.
Vaibhav, I'm checking yours.
Bye.
Bye, Ma. Good job, Vaibhav. You can log off.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Srimanya, good job, but I want details from you.
Miss Priya, can you help me with A?
Yeah, Kanishka, dependent and independent is correct. But did you write the table? Easy,
Table.
did you get it?
I'm writing it down.
Okay, guys, let me go ahead and show you. So here, each step, number of steps, and height. Number of step is 1. This is 1 times 8. Number of step is 2. 2 times 8. 1 minute, guys. I have somebody at the door.
I sent it. I sent my I
Already sent mine.
Miss Priya, did I get it?
2 times 8. Next, you have 3 number of steps. You have 3 times 8. So now, number of steps is indicated as S. H as height. So how do you do it? Now, S number of steps means S times 8, or
times
I can call it as 8S. Now, I write the equation with H is equal to 8S. You got it?
Yeah.
If the staircase is 80 inches tall, means you're going to plug in H is equal to 80, then S will be equal to 10. You got
And
it?
then, yeah.
And then which variable is independent?
Number of
Independent is
steps.
number of steps. Okay, guys, I'll stop here and see you all next week. I'll discuss the homework questions as well next week. Please remind me, Pranavi. And for Amanya, I will definitely do order of operations. Is that okay? But you're going to remind me, please, guys, okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys. See you all next week, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, Ma.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys. See you. Have a nice week ahead.